Happy Valentine's Day. So I need to set up my husband's Valentine's Day little boo basket. But I usually do it on the table. And this is real life. You want the Wi-Fi lights? This is real life. I need to clean up the table. Unfortunately, some of what needs to be put away, I don't have the time to put it away today, so this is called rearranging it so it's just not on the table. Laundry, stuff I need to deal with, my purse. Anyways, this is what happens when you have a crazy busy week. Oh, there's laundry there too. At least it's washed, right? What do you think?